Hi, everyone. Last time we explained what PVA film is made of. Today, let us understand the classification of water-soluble PVA films. PVA film is a lightweight, odorless, non-toxic and environmentally safe packaging material. It can easily degrade in water or waste environments. Because of the different production technology, there are blown film and casting film. Blown film is a plastic processing method that involves melting plastic particles and then blowing them into film. Usually, polymer is extruded into tubular film preforms, which are blown to the required thickness by high-pressure air under good melt flow conditions. After cold setting, they become thin films. Casting film is a kind of non-stretching, non-directional flat extruded film produced by melt salivation quenching. There are two main modes: monolayer salivation and multilayer co-extrusion salivation. Compared with blowing film, casting film has the advantages of fast production speed, high yield, transparency, gloss and uniform thickness. According to different uses, PVA film can be divided into packaging film, embroidery film, release film, and water transfer film. PVA films are used in the packaging of agrochemicals, dyes, cements, food additives, fish bait, seeds, soil clothes, toilet blocks, powder and liquid detergents, etc. PVA film can be categorized into warm water-soluble film, medium temperature film and high-temperature water-soluble film according to different dissolution temperature. The warm water-soluble film is also called fast-dissolving film, cold dissolving film. The dissolution temperature is 15 to 30 degrees. The dissolution time is about 30 seconds, mainly used for clothing embroidery substrates, agricultural seed bags, herbicide packaging bags, cleaning supplies packaging, chemical product packaging, disposable packaging bags such as laundry. It does not damage the clothes and does not affect the washing effect, such as laundry beads, clothing embroidered bottom lining. The medium temperature film is also known as medium soluble film, hot soluble film. The dissolution temperature is 35 to 75 degrees. The dissolution time is about 20 seconds, mainly used for washing bags for bedding, patient clothes, medical tooling, window curtains, etc. Sensitive fabric washing bags, packaging bags for hotel supplies, special bags for hotel fabric washing. The high-temperature water-soluble film is also called polysoluble film and resistant to soluble film. The dissolution temperature is around 80 to 100 degrees. The dissolution time is about 30 seconds, mainly used for high-end textiles, plastic packaging bags, packaging cushions, and book paper protective films. The PVA film of laundry pot is a warm water-soluble film, and its production process is the casting process. The thickness of the film is either 45 or 46 microns. EASTHONY can customize the lengths and widths according to customer needs. If you want to learn more about PVA film, welcome to leave message under this video or contact us with below email.